Hello, it's Miss Heather. Come over here. Piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks. And this is Jorah's Patapan tutorial for the 2024 Christmas recital. So, remember what she'll need to see. Yeah. It's mostly important for her to see what I'm pointing at on the paper, probably not my face. So we're going to start here as written. Play, 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 play. Right now, the one thing that I'm a little disappointed about is that Jorah's staccatos sound sort of like this, which does not really sound staccato at all. I'm hoping for. It's supposed to sound like a drum. And so we play to here. You get the whole page. You play to here. And then we repeat. We added a repeat sign, and we added this instruction, which means on the repeat, right hand has to
play the left hand.
No, the right hand has to go up an octave higher.
Oh, yeah.
So we start here. Can you show my hands? Back up so we can see the whole keyboard a little more. Good. So we notice the right hand thumb starts on E4, and we wrote that down here on the page. The right hand starts with the thumb on E4. So we'll play. And then when we get to the end, say we play the whole thing. Right hand for the whole note that the left hand is playing will leap and land here with the thumb on E5. And so then we'll play. So the left hand plays the same thing it played at the beginning in the middle, because that's the repeat. And then the right hand will play. And then we'll get all the way to the end here. And we thought the ending was kind of boring. So then Jorah wrote this note, play the left hand. And then he wrote a star to remind himself he has to go back to the beginning and just play the left hand part again, like this. And leave the right hand. And we're going to pretend this whole note is this right here. Back. There we go. So we're going to pretend that this is the note we're playing here. So we'll go play, and the left. So here, I'll show one more time. So we go, and then the right hand stays in place. And for the last thing, we go. And then we were talking about how after we play that last very loud, very staccato note, keep your show my hands. We fly up into a cat back, and then the hands go in the lap. So can you try that one more time? So we go. That's slow motion. It can happen really fast, like that. Okay. So I'm going to play the whole thing now. Can you back up and see if you can get the? I'm going to try to play the whole thing if my wrist holds up. Back up a little bit. So can you see all of this and both of my hands? Even now? You see everything? Okay. So we start at the beginning. Right hand. Same thing here. Pretend this is that half note, because that sounds kind of nicer, I think. So you just do like that. Does that make sense? And then your right hand bumps. I don't like the way they wrote the fingering in this arrangement. This is so awkward. Now that I'm playing it. Expecting you to do here with this hand position. This is a really odd choice, because it's like you probably should sort through those finger numbers. That is, I guess you could do that, and then so we talked about either that, or you could just add, like, this is where the right hand lands. I kind of think that sounds better. Like that for the end. Do you like that more, or do you like, and then? What do you think?
I like that. The last.
The last one? I think so. So you play all the way to here, and then you just add one more. So do you think you'll remember all of that when you get home? You remember what to do? Okay. You have any questions?
Hmm.
You can push the red square.
I know.